Welcome to Trend Hub, your gateway to the latest and most intriguing topics trending across the globe. Dive into a world of captivating discussions, mind-bending facts, and thought-provoking insights. From bizarre phenomena to cutting-edge technology, we're your go-to source for staying in the know. Hit that subscribe button, join the conversation, and let's explore the hottest trends together. Imagine a planet that nurtures life in its every nook and cranny. That's Earth for you. A mesmerizing blue gem. The Earth is the only known celestial body in the universe where life exists. This rarity is attributed to a series of fortunate conditions. Its perfect position in the habitable zone around the sun, neither too hot nor too cold, allows for the existence of liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life. The atmosphere, a delicate blanket extending about 348 miles above the surface, primarily comprises nitrogen and oxygen, the very gases we breathe. This atmospheric composition not only sustains life but also protects it, acting as a shield against harmful solar radiation. And let's not overlook the abundance of water covering approximately 71% of Earth's surface. So Earth, a unique oasis of life in the vast cosmic desert. From towering peaks to unfathomable depths, Earth presents a breathtaking range of landscapes. Let's start with the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest. This colossal giant reaches a staggering 29,029 feet, or 8,848 meters, above sea level. Standing atop Everest, one can't help but feel on top of the world, both figuratively and literally. But reaching such an elevation is no easy feat. Everest poses challenges that test the limits of human endurance. Extreme cold, hurricane-force winds, and the perilously thin air are just a few of the adversities faced by those daring enough to climb this mammoth mountain. Yet despite these challenges, Everest continues to draw adventurers from around the globe, proving that our quest to conquer the highs is unending. Now, let's descend from the dizzying heights of Everest to the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, the trench plunges to a depth of about 36,070 feet, or 10,994 meters. That's more than a mile deeper than Everest is tall. The extreme pressures, near-freezing temperatures, and complete darkness of the trench's depths present a realm as alien and challenging to explore as outer space. Yet these seemingly inhospitable conditions host a surprising array of life, from tiny microorganisms to the elusive giant squid. Whether it's scaling the icy slopes of Everest or plumbing the dark depths of the Mariana Trench, Earth's extremes pose unique challenges, spurring us to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. These highs and lows are not just geographical features, they are a testament to the resilience of life and our innate curiosity to explore the unknown. Earth, a planet of extreme highs and lows, constantly challenges our spirit of exploration. Beneath our feet lies a fiery world hotter than the surface of the sun. This is Earth's core, a molten marvel that reaches scorching temperatures of up to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Comprised of two parts, the inner and outer core, this furnace-like sphere lies approximately 3,000 miles beneath the Earth's crust. The inner core, a solid ball of iron and nickel, is surrounded by the outer core, a sea of hot molten metal. This intense heat generates movement within the outer core, creating swirling currents of molten metal. These currents, in turn, generate our planet's magnetic field, a protective barrier that shields Earth from harmful cosmic radiation and solar winds. Without this fiery core, our planet would be a vastly different place. No magnetic field would mean no protection from solar radiation, making life as we know it impossible. Indeed, our planet's core is a hidden furnace, powering life as we know it. Earth, a blue marble in space thanks to its abundant water. This precious liquid covers roughly 71% of our planet's surface, predominantly in the form of vast expansive oceans. Imagine this. If you could gather all of Earth's water into a sphere, it would have a diameter of about 860 miles, larger than the state of Texas. Our oceans are more than just bodies of water, they are the lifeblood of our planet, hosting a dizzying variety of life forms, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whale. They help regulate our climate, absorbing heat and redistributing it around the globe, ensuring a balance that sustains life. Freshwater bodies, though significantly smaller in volume, are equally crucial. They quench our thirst, irrigate our crops, and power our industries. From the deepest ocean trenches to the smallest mountain streams, water is the thread that weaves the tapestry of life on Earth. Water, the elixir of life, makes Earth a shimmering blue gem in the cosmos. Our planet has a protective shield invisible to the naked eye. This powerful force, known as Earth's magnetic field, is a key player in making our planet habitable. It's like our planet's own superhero, tirelessly working behind the scenes to safeguard life as we know it. This magnetic field is generated deep within the Earth's core, where molten iron swirls around in a pattern that creates an electric current. This current, in turn, generates a magnetic field that extends far out into space. But why is this magnetic field so crucial? Its primary role is to serve as a defense against solar wind. These are streams of charged particles emitted from the sun that, if not deflected, could strip away our atmosphere, leaving Earth barren and lifeless. By deflecting the solar wind, the magnetic field protects our atmosphere, which shelters life on Earth. It's also responsible for the awe-inspiring spectacle of the northern and southern lights, Earth's magnetic field, our silent guardian against the harshness of space. Time is ticking, but did you know that Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down? That's right, our planet's spin isn't as constant as you might think. It's actually decreasing at a rate of about 17 milliseconds per 100 years. While this seems inconsequential now, over the course of millions of years it can add up, making our days steadily longer. This deceleration is primarily due to gravitational interactions with the moon and the sun. The gravitational tug-of-war between these celestial bodies and the Earth causes a frictional force known as tidal friction, which gradually drains energy from Earth's rotation. This phenomenon has implications for our planet's future. As the Earth's rotation slows, it could affect everything from the planet's magnetic field to climate patterns. But don't worry, this process is happening so slowly that it won't affect our daily lives for a very, very long time. As Earth spins slower, our days grow longer, a cosmic ballet choreographed by gravity. Earth, a living planet, breathes and shivers, causing earthquakes every day. Our planet's crust is not a single solid shell, but a jigsaw puzzle of tectonic plates that ride atop the semi-fluid mantle below. These plates are always on the move, albeit at a pace slower than a snail's crawl. But when they collide or slide past each other, the energy that's been building up gets released, and voila, we have an earthquake. Now you might be thinking, I don't feel the ground shaking every day. And you're right. Most of these tremors are too small for us to notice. In fact, the Earth experiences an estimated 500,000 detectable earthquakes each year. That's right, 500,000. Yet, only about 100,000 of these can be felt by humans, and a mere 100 cause any significant damage. Seismologists, the scientists who study earthquakes, use sophisticated instruments called seismometers to detect these tremors. Even the smallest wiggle of the Earth doesn't escape their notice. These dedicated scientists are our first line of defense, providing us with early warnings to mitigate the impact of these natural disasters. While earthquakes might seem like a destructive force, they also play a crucial role in shaping Earth's landscape. The mighty Himalayas, for instance, owe their existence to the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. Similarly, the stunning vistas of the Grand Canyon were carved by the movement of these plates and the subsequent erosion by water. So, in a way, these daily tremors are Earth's way of remodeling itself, a constant work in progress. They remind us that our planet is a dynamic entity, alive and evolving. Whether it's the creation of new mountains, the shifting of continents, or the formation of new ocean floors, these earthquakes are integral to the Earth's ceaseless dance of creation and destruction. Earthquakes, a testament to our planet's dynamic and ever-changing nature. Did you know that Earth is not a perfect sphere? Yes, contrary to popular belief, our planet isn't a perfect round ball. Instead, it has a rather unique shape known as an oblate spheroid. So, what does this mean? Well, an oblate spheroid is a shape that's slightly flattened at the poles and slightly bulging at the equator. This bulging and flattening aren't random, mind you, it's all about Earth's rotation. As our planet spins on its axis, the centrifugal force, the outward force that's created by this spinning, pushes material away from the axis and towards the equator. This creates the characteristic bulge we're talking about. But what about the flattening at the poles? Well, as material is pushed towards the equator, it's pulled away from the poles, causing them to flatten slightly. It's a fascinating dance of physics that shapes our world. So, Earth, our slightly squashed cosmic home, spins on, nurturing life and inspiring wonder.